Green tea shots are something that we all know, love, and order at the bar, but do you know how to make them at home? Today, I'm gonna show you how to make our favorite party shot with only 4 ingredients, and this recipe actually makes 4 shots, so it's perfect if you need a large batch. Don't forget to subscribe and follow along for more delicious shot recipes. Making green tea shots at home is super easy and all you need are 4 ingredients. First, we're starting out by adding 3 ounces of Jameson Irish whiskey to our cocktail shaker that's filled partway with ice. Next, you'll come in with 3 ounces of peach schnapps. As a reminder, this recipe makes 4 large shots, so that's why we're using quite a bit of liquor today. Finally, to the cocktail shaker, add in 3 ounces of sweet and sour mix. This recipe is nice because it's all equal parts and it's really easy to remember. Then give everything a nice shake until you get a frothy and foamy consistency. Then you'll want to strain everything into 4 rocks glasses. You can optionally top each shot with a little bit of lemon lime soda. You'll use about 3/4 of an ounce for each glass. I promise you're not going to want to go out to the bar to order these because you're going to love making them at home. The full recipe along with tips and tricks will be linked in the description below.